Welcome back to CAD-CAM Legend. In this tutorial, I'm going to model this Coca Cola Cap using the SolidWorks, and we will also look at some basic features like revolve both ways, lofted both ways, and we will use the circular pattern in making of this part, and we will also use the fillet. Okay, so let's have a look at the model tree of this Coca Cola Cap. Okay. So how I made this, first I created a plane, which is this plane, and how I made this, we will look at that at the end. Okay, let me hide this for now, and let me suppress the added features. See, first I created a plane. When I make it show, click on this plane, come to edit feature. You will see here I created this plane parallel to the top plane at a distance of 4 mm. And how you can create a new plane? You must know that you have to come to the reference geometry, come to plane, and you have to select the reference. Either that will be the front plane, top plane, right plane, or any of the surface. Let me hide this plane for now. When I come downward, what I did, I used the lofted both ways command to connect any of the two sketches made on the different planes. So let's have a look at that two sketches, how I made that. When I come to sketch 1, come to edit sketch, make it normal. I just draw a circle of diameter 30 mm, like this, assigning the smart dimension. And after that, I just came to the 3-point up, adding something like this. Come to point entity, find the unwanted portion, and assign it the radius 3 mm, which is mentioned here. And after that, I just use the circular pattern, and as you can see here, the number of entities to be patterned along the circular path is 20, so you have to mention the 20. I will say exact sketch, and the next sketch that I had made is this circular profile, a circle of diameter 28 mm, as you can see here. And I had made this sketch on the created plane, this one. When I make it visible, so you will see my sketch in this plane is parallel. Let me hide this plane for now. Hide it for now. And let me exact sketch. After that, what I did, I just used the lofted both ways command to connect these two sketches together. Let me come to the edit feature. When I come to the edit feature, I just select the two profile by using the lofted both ways. I will select this feature and this sketch. See, I'm getting the same result. I will say okay. See, next what I did, I just create a new plane. See, and this is parallel to this surface. How you recognize that? I will come to the edit feature, and you can see here I just created this plane parallel to this face at a distance of 3 mm. After that, I just did another lofted both base, which is this portion. How I did this, let's have a look at the sketches. When I come to sketch 3 and come to edit feature, I just draw a circular profile on the new created plane, which is this one, and I just draw a circle of 25 mm. And when I come to sketch 4, edit feature, and I just draw a circle on this face, as you can see here, of the same diameter. When I come to sketch 4, see, the line gets highlighted. It's mean you have to draw a circle of the same diameter. Now exact sketch. After that, I just add another round. See, which is this one. See, this one. Let's come to edit feature, and this radius is 2.5, as you can see from here. And when I clear the section, you have to select this edge. Okay. And after that, what I did, I just used a shell, marking the bottom color. See, this is full right now, and I just mark it color. Let's come to edit feature. See, what is the wall thickness, and what's the other features? Oh, wall thickness is 0.5 mm. And when you clear the section, so you have to select the bottom face, and make sure you have to check the preview. Okay, see, this is perfect right now. Next, what I did, I just added another feature entirely over here. As you can see here, these cutouts like this. See, these entire cutouts. How I did this, let's have a look at this sketch. When I come to sketch 5, I will edit sketch, and I will make it now. Let me zoom it right now. I just draw a profile on each plane. Let's recognize about that plane. That's I think the front plane. When I make it visible, so you will see the sketch that I made over here and this plane, which is front plane, or parallel. Now let's just make it normal. And let's come to the sketch 5. So how I made this, I just draw a line like this, assigning the dimension 10.8 mm, and we have to just draw a 3-point arc like this, assigning the radius and distances like this, 0.35 mm and 0.35 mm, having the distance from this point to this 0.4 mm. And I just draw such a profile. And after that, what I did, I just add a center line like this by clicking on the center line, and I just added the center line like this. Just make sure this is working. And I will exit sketch. So this is how the whole part is done. Hide it for now. Hide this one also. Make sure you have to keep in perspective and keep the background plane white. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any problem, just write in comment. I will reply for that. Remember one thing, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the notification bell, also like the channel videos and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.